parang dapat nandun talaga siya. Yes! Proud and loud.
Yes! Mabilang tayo. Pero ito na!
Umuulan ng red all over here. And umuulan ng mga photos.
Yes! Alam mo na yun, mula na mabalikin ang kanyang perfect day.
Hindi nila makita. first year.
Parang it's Christmas on celebrate.
Sa akin hindi pa, pero all around, alam naman natin na napakainit natin. Sa paligid natin lahat, parang andyan na yung mga Christmas crackers and everything. Pero eventually, sure, mabubuhay niya. Like, marami naman rin sa bahay.
What about you, Kim? Kasi ikaw talaga alam namin when holidays come, marami ka talaga mag-celebrate.
Manalo tayo dito. Pero hindi ko nga pala ako mag-tree.
Yun lang ay naabangan nyo.
Jimmy, nakapakat ko yun! December. Ilaw ba yan? May ilaw ba yan? Wala na.
What? How do you feel tonight that you're celebrating with your choking fam?
I'm very honored and thankful to Chowking actually. Actually, his favorite ko talaga yung halo-halo yung Gucci ng Chowking. Lagi yan. At lagi rin halo-halo sa Sexy Kim.
Yes.
So I'm very excited to celebrate the Chowking holidays with you, Kim.
Oh my gosh. Pero,
At mga players dyan po sa Manila. Kaya tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling mag-get si Vinso and Paolo Adelino. Back to you, Vito.
shopping po kami right in Davao. So I think we watched this game na
Yes.
tons of times, diba? Pero don't worry, nothing scary. I have baskets and put the table there. And like I said, collaborative table siya. So hindi siya puntos na. Uwi na! Uwilaan nyo lang siya.
Akala ko mga sangkap na mga pansit.
So diretso lang ka. 3, 2, 1, get!
Bilen! Bilen!
Para po, hindi naman.
Pinagbigyan ako ni Kimi kasi first time yung gumawa ng event for
Yeah,
Chowking.
first na sa Chowking para bumalik-balik pa siya. Di ba Chowking Town?
Yung prize daw, ano franchise.
Ha?
Dapat pala lumaban na.
Dapat pala lumaban. Laban na laban ako.
Totoo. Okay, thank you so much, Kim Pao, for giving us the technique. You know what, to make this moment more special, let's ask Kim Pao to go to the halo-halo and pull the lever this time around. Kailangan nice tayo naman. Ready to light up your holiday tree and drive through as well? Yeah! I see that. Hi guys! Okay, we are all ready. Get out, it's time. Let's light up the holiday tree with CYO and drive through in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Message to the Chowking group of company, the Chowking family, is first of all I want to thank you for having me for this event, and of course, more sales, not just for this year, but also for next year.
Yes, to my Chowking family, happy Chowking Day! Congratulations on a very successful Christmas tree lighting. Thank you for having me, Pao.
Thank you.
And salamat sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon.
Salamat, ang dami nyo.
Yes, sobrang thank you very, very much for making this trend, for watching online.
Pasahin natin isa-isa yung mga banners
Ay,
nila.
sige, thank you so much to
Kim Pao on the other side, Kim Pao International,
Kim Chu Global, Kim Nation,
Paolo Avelino Global, Kim Pao Team Abroad, Paolo Avelino Believer, Kim Nation. Ito pa.
Pao
Ay, sige na.
Squad, Kim Pao Believers.
Believers official. Yung official.
Sa lahat ng mga
Mga Paonatics friendly ka na.
Thank you so much. Abangan niyo po yung movie namin next year.
Yeah. Yes. Sana abangan ano yun, tulad ng sabi ni Kim, we have a movie coming out next year. I'm sure may enjoy niyo ito dahil kakaiba, medyo iba siya sa mga ginawa rin namin dati.
Yes, this is My Love Will Make You Disappear. See you next year in our movie.
Thank you. Salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to the newest Hit Love team for their final performance. Kim Chu and Paula Avellino, everyone!
Let's go, everybody.
Masyado!
Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas, Chowking family!
Happy Charlie Day! Salamat po sa lahat na nagpunta at sana safe po kayo makauwi.
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, everybody. See you again next time.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.